Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is how her 10-piece McNugget order ended in total disaster.
On March 30th, 2025, officers responded to a disturbance call at a local McDonald's.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. Watch the fuck out, bro. Give me my food. Give me my food. I'm not trying to hear that shit. I already paid. I already paid. Let bitch give me my food. Give me my fucking food. Give me my piece.
Okay, excuse me. She's missing her 10 piece.
I'll
talk to him. Talk out here.
I ain't gonna lie. Give me my food.
They want you to leave.
I ain't gonna lie.
They want you to leave.
It's coming. It's coming.
I don't know who that bitch talking to.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Tequila G.
I don't know who it is.
Tequila G. Bro, chill out. Seriously. Tequila.
I don't know who you're talking to.
What's going on?
Chill.
Wait, okay, no. Let me talk.
Let's go over here. Hey, we're going over here.
She was trying to get her food, and the worker started just being disrespectful. Tequila, you have to chill out.
Here, guys. That's a drive-through. We have to go over here.
My money, bro. I don't have my money.
Okay, we finna get your shit. 1645. Come with me. All right, hold on, shit. That's mine. Okay.
Yeah, we got both.
Bitch, you calling me a dumbass bitch. Who you talking to, bitch?
Okay, don't let her antagonize you, bro. We're not worried about that.
Okay, we're staying over here, though.
Yeah, stay
Okay.
right here. They coming right back out. Call Gibby or somebody so you can flirt or something. You need to do something. You need to be distracted. I'm not playing with you.
Hey, I'm dipping. Hey.
She coming, bro. She just need to get the 10 piece.
What is everybody standing at me for? Boo, bitch.
Hey, you're out with police. They're gonna stare. It happens to us all the time.
Bro, she was holding my order back from me, bro. Like, I want my shit,
Yeah, she
bro.
was being
Your friend was saying that she started being
Give me-
disrespectful.
Yes, calling me a bitch.
She literally told me I couldn't even get my food till she got it.
Like, you
I ain't let
tweaking.
that.
Can I please get my order? Like, I paid.
No, she's gonna get it.
I paid.
She said she's not servicing you, and that you should get a refund on your.
No, I can't get a refund. This is my friend order. This not my order.
Okay, well, whoever ordered it will get a refund.
No, how is they getting a refund when they?
Because they said the order will show up as not complete. You're not going. You go back in there, I'm gonna arrest you.
No, bro. This is
Yes,
not my
bro.
order. This
You're
is
not
my
allowed
order.
back in there.
This
Do you
is not
understand
my
me?
Let me see.
It's not my order,
Okay, let me
gang.
see. I'm gonna ask him, can I get a refund for this? It's gonna go back to the card. It said at the end. Hold on. I need to be right back. Is she gonna stay right here?
No, I want my order. Fuck is she
Okay, but they
talking
tell you that they're not gonna serve you.
She said you are banned. You're banned from here. Okay.
Man,
That's what she told me. Yeah.
oh,
Well, at least tonight.
tell her to show order.
She said you are not
I
welcome.
can't leave you right
Tell
here.
her
bro.
to show order. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Tell her and show order,
Hold on, let
bro.
me call her real quick.
Like, what the fuck is
Oh,
wrong
I'm
with
gonna
this
call her.
bitch? She called me out of my name first. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, okay, let me
Who the
call
fuck
her.
is this calling me?
I was 1645. She could have been gave that up there.
Hey, we're gonna get out of the drive-through way, okay? We're gonna go over there in the handicapped spot.
You guys walk here or drive?
Well, we got a Uber here. We just waiting on our food. Like, they need to...
Bro, I need my fucking order. I paid for that
I got
shit.
you. You're not getting your order.
But my friend ordered
Okay,
it.
you can-
She can get it,
that's-
right? Right?
I mean, if your friend's here, yeah.
Tell her.
But you can't be in there.
Alright, bro, I'll be right back.
Hey, do you have your ID on you?
No. I don't got no type of ID.
Student ID or anything?
No, I don't have my ID.
Okay, what's your first name?
I don't know.
What's happening? I'm sorry.
She's getting banned.
For how long though?
Until they say that you're welcome back.
I ain't gonna lie, she banning me and she called me a bitch. She called me a bitch.
As a business,
okay,
they had that right,
Called me
okay?
a bitch.
Tequila,
gang.
bro, that's...
She called me
Tequila.
a bitch.
That does not matter. They're telling you you're banned.
That's fine.
Bro, that's what it is now. We have to deal with it.
That's fine, bro. I'm going home.
I need your name.
Well, thanks to the friend, they got her first name, Akila. So now we just got to work on the last name. Maybe the friend will butt in her business and say her last name or something.
I don't know my name.
Akila, this is not gonna be helpful for you, okay?
I ain't gonna lie, I don't have my ID, so I don't know.
That's fine, but you know your name. You don't need your ID to know your name.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. This shit is so fucking irritating.
This is irritating. You're not giving us your name.
I just want my food.
You're not getting your food.
I paid for that shit.
We getting it.
Fuck out of here. Oh, yeah, shit, not that deep. She called me out of my name first.
Get on the sidewalk, please.
Just cooperate, Lucky.
You're on McDonald's property.
No, I will get
Just cooperate, bro.
Yeah, you can sit right there.
out of here. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. I need my motherfucking meal,
All right.
okay? I need my
You were notified.
She came back on the property.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Provide your ID then.
I'm leaving. I don't have my ID.
Hold on.
Now all of a sudden it's okay. They gave you the chance already.
Akila, give me your name and date of birth or you're going to jail. Do you understand? Yeah.
Let me go.
Stop.
Okay, I will get my ID.
Stop.
Give y'all my
She will tell you.
Okay, we'll work on that in a minute.
Let me go.
Stop resisting, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, let me go.
Please, she will tell you. Please, let her go. We have to go inside tonight.
I don't have
We asked for her name.
her name is Akila.
Please, she will tell you her
Wait.
information.
I gotta check my ID. I ain't gonna lie. Wait.
Let's take it to this car. Get over here.
She does not have her.
We'll take another unit at McDonald's.
No.
I don't care who you are. I don't know who you are, and I don't care. He's under arrest. Criminal trespass.
No, I'm leaving.
No. Back up. She was notified of a ban. We just banned her.
They just banned me.
We just told her that she was banned.
Okay, so let her go, bro. She's in college, bro. Let her go.
Who are you?
I'm done. God. That's why you're done. Let her go, please. Please let her go. She go to school every day.
You get these guys back.
School here, bro. Please let me go. I ain't gonna lie.
Stop following me. Get back.
Let me go. Please let me go.
No.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm calm.
No, you're
I get y'all ban me. I'm not drunk.
Sit here.
I'm not drunk.
Search her.
I'm cool. Like, I can't.
Hey, you got anything that's gonna hurt me?
No, I don't want to hurt you, ma'am.
All right.
I don't want to hurt you. Just give me my money back.
Why
That's cool. Just give me my money back.
Back up.
Bro, you wasn't even supposed to grab her up like that.
I ain't gonna lie. Just give me my
Who are
money
you?
back.
Who is this guy?
I don't know.
He's just riding on a bike.
I don't know him.
He just pulled up on a bike. Put her ass in the car. I'm about to. We're about to fight.
I got it. All right. Ma'am, I can't afford to get arrested.
Okay, put your feet in there. Okay, we're gonna calm everybody down, and then we'll work that out.
I'm
okay,
calm.
okay.
Calm.
Put your other foot in
But
there.
I can't afford to get arrested.
Okay, put your other foot in there.
I just need my money back, ma'am.
All right. They're gonna go ahead and refund whatever card you use.
You sure?
Okay, it might not show up tonight because it has to go through your bank.
Okay.
It's funny how it's like, I'm calm. I can't afford to get arrested. Well, maybe you should have just took the trespass warning. No, right? Or the trespass, whatever it's a piece of paper. Maybe you should have just took that. What's your name, date of birth? They write piece of paper. All right, you're banned for a year or two. Can't come back. All right, go about your day. What was wrong with that? But no, you wanted to do it your way. You didn't want to give your name. The only reason why the cops got your name is because your friends are so busy yapping and not minding their business. That's how they got your name. And then they just ask you to leave and you decide to come back, all for some chicken nuggets. That shit don't make no sense. Chicken nuggets? Really?
That's fine.
Okay,
As
this
long
is
as
what
she
we were.
refund me,
This is what
I'm
we were.
cool.
Listen,
I don't gotta come back to this McDonald's.
This is what we were trying to explain to you, but you wouldn't ID yourself.
I'm sorry,
and then you came back after being notified that you were banned.
I'm sorry.
You see where we're at?
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool.
Stay in there.
I'm staying.
They need to lock the
And
dude
put
up
those legs
too.
in there.
My hands just uncomfortable.
Okay.
I don't want to get arrested. I don't have the time. I can't afford to.
10-4. You can't afford to get arrested.
No, I have 2 court dates already.
What are your court dates for?
Trespassing.
From where?
Carnal. Me and Watterson. I can't afford, I understand.
I'm putting your ID back, okay?
I understand. I'm being, I just want to.
So why did you come back when we told you, hey, you're trespassed, you can't come in here?
I just want to go, man. I will never come back. I promise.
Okay, but I'm asking you a question. Why did you come back?
I wasn't in my right mind.
Okay, what do you mean by that?
How much have you had to drink?
Not a lot, but I'm fine, ma'am. I promise you I will never come back here. I just want her to give me my money back. That's it.
Okay.
She didn't even have to call the police. I was not tweaking. Please.
You definitely was.
Just take me out the handcuffs. I got a life to live. Please.
I understand. Give me a minute. Go ahead and put your feet in there. I'm going to go ahead and talk to your friends. Let them know that you're okay. Put both of your feet in
I
there.
can't afford to be on the
Do you want them to know what's going on? Do you want us to tell them?
I can't afford to be on the mugshot. I'm a criminal justice major.
Okay.
Please don't arrest me.
Here, let's shut the door real quick and...
And you acting like that? What job you think you gonna get acting like that? None.
Myself and Officer O'Connell talk.
After ignoring multiple warnings to leave, even after being officially banned, she still wouldn't let go of her 10-piece obsession. Rather than heading to another location, she made things 10 times worse and ended up in cuffs. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below and be
Okay. All over some chicken nuggets, man. I haven't had no McDonald's chicken nuggets in a while, though. It do sound good. Maybe I should go up to McDonald's and cause a ruckus. Anyway, yeah, this is just, it's just crazy. It's fucking kids, man. Kids just acting out. Don't know how to act. And then you got a record of trespassing. So there's multiple places you're not welcome. See anything in common there? You're the common denominator. Maybe you should get your attitude together. Anyway, she talking about I can't have a mugshot. Well, you on YouTube. You on YouTube. Anyway, I think the cops did the best job that they could. So I definitely give them 5 out of 5. They handled it the best way that they could. That guy was annoying. They should have got him together too. I ain't gonna lie. Because as they was walking, he's walking right in front of them, kind of blocking the way of walking. And then you following and all that, man, we gonna get you right too, man. Anyway, let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.